there are three types of excuse me. The first one is to get people's attention. Excuse me, disculpe. Say you are at a restaurant, you want to get the waitress' attention, so you say, excuse me, disculpe. Okay, I'm going to break it down. Disculpe. A little faster. Repeat after me. Disculpe. The other way to say excuse me is perdón. Say it with me. Perdón. Perdón. Perdón is another way of saying sorry. So to say sorry or I'm sorry, you say perdón. But for whatever reason, a lot of people say perdón to say excuse me. That's to get someone's attention. You say perdón, excuse me, perdón, sorry, perdón. The third type of excuse me is when you gotta get by through a crowded hallway or aisle and you want people to move out of your way, so you say con permiso. Excuse me, con permiso. Okay, I'm gonna slow it down. Con permiso. Con permiso. Excuse me, con permiso. So there you go. Let's review. To get someone's attention, you say, excuse me, disculpe, or excuse me, perdón. Third type is con permiso. That's if you politely want people to move out of your way, you say con permiso. Excuse me, con permiso.